The recent surge in popularity of South Indian cinema has led to a growing curiosity about why many of its leading stars seem reluctant to make the leap to Bollywood. While some have successfully transitioned, others have opted to focus on their regional industries. Stay with us to witness all the details, but let's first roll the intro. When Telugu star Mahesh Babu stated that Bollywood couldn't afford him when asked why he didn't head to Bollywood, a controversy erupted. Though he later clarified that he said his statement was not meant to be offensive but that he was happy doing Telugu films and would prefer to stay in Tollywood and take Telugu cinema to the world. This sentiment expressed by Mahesh Babu is not his alone but one that is shared by many actors in South cinema. Having said that, numerous South heroes have dabbled with Hindi films over the decades but have not tried to make Mumbai their home. Tamil stars Rajinikanth and Kamal Haasan, for instance, have done a handful of Hindi films but their core audience and fans are from South India and mostly Tamil-speaking people around the world. And this is true for any South hero. In 2010, when Tamil star Surya did Ram Gopal Varma's Rakt Charitra 2, he was asked about signing on more Hindi films and he stated, "I have never pushed myself for Hindi cinema. If I get to do different roles that excite me, then I will surely love to do Hindi movies. But I will not stop doing films down south." Given the regional sensibilities, language differences and the kind of persona that every region accepts as a hero, it is not easy for stars of South cinema to make it big in Hindi and vice versa as well. Even heroes from Bollywood haven't ventured into South cinema except for a few who have played the villain or negative characters. When Rana Daggubati from the Telugu film world made his debut in Bollywood with Dum Maro Dum in 2011, he was accepted by the Hindi film audience as one of their own. He went to sign more films but was always clear that he would work on Hindi films without compromising on his Telugu film career. He stated then, "I am very happy that I have been accepted. It is great to be noticed in the big ocean of Hindi films. I see so many newcomers coming every day, they shine once and go away." Unlike Rana, national award-winning Tamil star Dhanush has done more offbeat films in Hindi like Anand L. Rai's Ranjana and Atrangiri and Balki's Shamitab. When asked about doing more Hindi films, he said in an interview, "My heart and soul is in my mother tongue. I'll do Tamil films. I'll do Hindi films when I land very good stories and very good filmmakers." Please like, share and subscribe to HNB Hub and comment down below. Thank you.